Class 9, Unit 11, Reading 2, Weather Instruments. Until the 18th century, people completely depended on sensory observations for any weather data. They understood the wind direction through the movement of leaves or estimated the time of rain through the number of clouds in the sky. Now the times have changed. Today, we are blessed with modern technology, which includes different weather instruments and weather stations that help us to accumulate accurate weather data. There are different types of instruments for measuring different parameters. A thermometer is a device that is used for measuring the temperature or the temperature gradient. This can be used in industry, in meteorology, and even in medicine. This device has two important things that help in measuring the temperature. The first one is a sensor that uses different physical parameters, like the expansion of different states of matter for sensing the change. The second one is a converter that converts the change of temperature into a numerical number. There are different types of thermometers. In weather stations, mainly mercury-filled thermometers are used. Mercury-filled thermometers can measure the temperature from minus 35 to 40 degrees Celsius. It has a scale division of 0.2 degrees, but if the temperature is less than minus 35 degrees Celsius, then this thermometer cannot give an accurate result and becomes unreliable. To measure the temperature under minus 35 degrees Celsius, alcohol-filled thermometers are used. This type of thermometer can measure from minus 65/minus 75 degrees Celsius to 20/25 degrees Celsius. A barometer is an instrument that measures the atmospheric pressure. It measures the pressure in measurement units called bars or atmospheres. The Earth is wrapped with layers of air, which is called atmosphere. The air has weight and it presses everything against gravity. A barometer measures this pressure. When a barometer shows low pressure, it means that the weather is rainy, windy, or cloudy, and when the pressure is high, it means that the weather is fair. There are different types of barometers, such as mercury barometer, aneroid barometer, and the digital barometer. Among these three, the digital barometer is the latest one that gives more accurate data. A hygrometer measures the humidity or the amount of water vapor in the air. There are mainly two types of hygrometers. They are dry and wet bulb hygrometers and a mechanical hygrometer. An anemometer is used to measure the speed of wind. The speed of wind gives plenty of information about the weather. For example, if the speed of the wind is high, it indicates a storm. With the help of the anemometer, we can determine the speed of the wind, which helps us to protect ourselves from many natural disasters. A wind vane is also called a weather vane or a weathercock. This is an instrument that is used for showing the direction of the wind. It has a similar feature like the traditional cockerel designs, with letters that indicate the points of the compass. The tool is placed on top of a weather station and gives accurate results about the direction of the wind, which provides a lot of information about the changes that take place in the weather. A rain gauge is an instrument used by meteorologists for measuring the amount of precipitation occurring over some time. It is one of the instruments that is used in most weather stations. The rain gauge must be placed at an open place without any obstacle. The amount of precipitation is measured either manually or by an automatic weather station. The instrument has some limitations. It is impossible for a rain gauge to collect rain during a hurricane.